Hey guys, this is me, Bebop973, and this is a test out of my new camera. Isn't it beautiful quality? And, yeah, well, I'm with my webcams right now. You can see them, and look at them. They are so cute. Look at the W. Look at the W. Look at it. Look at the washer. Isn't he so cute? Okay, and, like, his ticket, we can't get it right now, but, wait, let me see if this has focus. Okay. Not really. Oh, wait. Yep, you can see Chihuahua right there. And the shade Chihuahua has perfect focus. Wait, what else can we see? Okay, camera. You see that? Yep, it has focus. Isn't this camera beautiful? And there's my old camera over there. Oops, sorry. I'm just kind of getting used to holding this kind of camera. But, wait. There it is. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. This is especially for YouTube also. It's called the it's called Sony Webby HD. Here's the box. Sony Webby HD. But yeah. Well, yeah, you can see it. And it's really good quality. Really good quality. And I can't wait till I get to do more videos with this. But yeah, on Saturday, we're going to be celebrating my birthday, and I'm going to be getting more gifts. This is not just the only 2 gifts I have. By the way, no mean comments on what I got there, okay? No mean comments. I think I'm just going to disable the comments on the video. But yeah, anyways, I love this camera so much. I am so happy. Hehehe. Well, anyway, yeah, I'm so happy right now, but yeah, well, it's like charging right now. You can see the cord is connected. Yeah, well, yeah, anyway, it's charging, and yeah. Oops. He's so cute. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. I so enjoyed this camera. Thank you so much. Please sub.